second stunt. And oh, by the way, there's one more thing. Starting with my first volunteer, Josiah. He's ready to rock and roll. He knows what he's supposed to do. 15 seconds into this stunt, he is going to throw a lever that will turn on some industrial strength fans. Those fans will blast a pretty serious wind onto our contestant. Dangerous? Not necessarily. Annoying? Definitely.
Yeah, I can see that.
Alright, contestants, are you ready? Then I suggest you hold on, get a good grip at the top of that ball, because we're bringing the fear in 3, 2, 1, go! Level up and we're underway, and someone misunderstood the assignment. We are down by 1. And here we are coming up on 15 seconds. Go for it, Josiah. Here comes the wind. Still holding strong over here. Starting to see some space open up on a couple of our competitors' hands. Bradley is smiling up there as that wind is tossing our competitors in the face. Might look like a cool breeze, but it's going to mess with their concentration, making it a little bit difficult for them. We're losing some ground over here on this side. I don't think he has too much real estate left, and down he goes. We are head-to-head, audience. Let's make some noise! Who is snakes, tarantulas, and even emperor scorpions, which are by far the nastiest of the bunch, so of course it makes them my personal favorite. Why am I not surprised by those? Alright, well, Karen is braving a fabulous vacation all by herself, so I thought I'd have Josiah come up here and just let me spin the wheel, you know, and determine the fate of this perfect stranger he's going to sit next to.
Josiah, 2 hands on the wheel, we'll spin it together. 1, 2, 3, spin! Good job!
Alright, audience, what do you want to see? Shout it out, let me hear you! A lot of good choices out there. Josiah, what do you want to see? You want to see a snake? Oh, really? Well... That would be fun. Oh no, it's Stunt and Scorpions! How did that happen? I didn't stop it. I didn't touch it. That was by itself, right? We have a faulty wheel, like Ferris. Faulty wheel. There you go. Okay, so, hey Karen, don't know if you figured it out yet, but you totally by chance, definitely not my fault, got these scorpions. Now, they are the largest venomous scorpions on the planet. They're nicknamed the Widowmakers, but that's totally cool. You can definitely handle this. All you have to do is sit really still. We're only going to put 5 of these on your head. We'll close the box for a second. You'll be all done. So let me ask, are you ready for this? She's giving you 2 thumbs up. Of course she's ready for this. Yeah, all right. You got Jake for some moral support. You got the whole audience behind you. In front of you? Never mind. All right, you all know what to do. Let's all count down together in 3, 2, 1, go! Now, I told you Brianna wasn't going to be nice. First one in the box. Karen is doing a great job staying really, really still for us. Now, the scorpions are going to start moving around a little bit. You know, these weird temperature fluctuations we have here in Florida. After all, they are just nature's tiny barometers. I like that the first one is just sitting there like a little mouse. 1 more to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, she's done it! Yeah! Great job, Karen! Yeah, I was just starting to go lazy. I see her fingers starting to jiggle a little. Just sit very still, my friend, because I've got to tell you that obviously this is when they kind of like to latch on. Yeah, actually, this is the most dangerous part of the stunt. Scorpions, when they lose their footing, they like to latch their little pinches onto anything. So, Karen, be careful, because you might be leaving with a new pair of earrings. Look at this. We've already got 4, and this makes 5. Nicely done, Karen, proving that fear is not a factor for her. To the eel tank, fish out a beanbag. You will then turn and toss the beanbag to your partners who are suspended in the air holding the buckets. You have 30 seconds to transfer as many beanbags as possible. Remember, you can only transfer 1 at a time. The team with the most beanbags in their bucket at the end of the 30 seconds will get an advantage going on to the second half of this stunt. And oh, by the way, there's one more thing. with these high-intensity water cannons. Have fun with the kids.
All right, let's get this beach party started in 3, 2, 1, go! Runners taking on towards that tank. We got those water cannons shooting over here. Push the button in the center, the button in the center. Trying to shoot the tank over here. We got a couple of different strategies. It's a more difficult approach to take, but the blue team has connected. Now the red team is caught up. They're both going for the tank. I think this one might be a matter of who is faster over here. Missed on the red team, but we are nailing it on the blue team over here. Making a mistake. Anything is possible. All right, we're gonna check it for the see how many we got. We have 1 for the red team, but we have 4 for the blue team.
And set to the ring.
All right, let's put some sea creatures in the bleachers. In 3, 2, 1, go! And here they go. Nice catch on the blue side and on the right side. Well done, guys. You can see our cannons get some spinning around a little bit. Missing on the right side. So close. A difficult throw, and he makes it. 1 more coming from the blue side. And that is it. It was a notable effort, red team, but it just wasn't enough. Blue team. Now this is what we get asked the most about here at Fear Factor Live, because it just wouldn't be Fear Factor without something interesting to eat. That's why we call this next stunt, Guess What's Crawling to Dinner.
Let's see what's happening in here for this gentleman, shall we? First course is seafood surprise. A colorful combination of frantic clams, squid, oysters, octopus, fish heads, and tails, all marinated in their own juices. No, I'll be fair.
Someone's over here laughing. I don't know what you've been eating, but ugh.
Second course comes with compliments of the meat packing factory. These are all those bits, parts, and pieces that, well, frankly, nobody else wanted. I call this one the mystery meat medley.
So like that's worse than scrapple, right?
Oh yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
that's like sweeping it up off the floor kind of stuff. Yeah. But because I am a nice gal, and we are in the holidays.
You are? No, they're fine. Please keep sending my videos.
For the holidays, I'm gonna let them rinse it down with a little sour eggnog. Yeah.
I didn't.
Nice.
I don't think I knew that eggnog could be sour. That's awful. What do we make next?
We're gonna blend it.
No.
Why would I do that? I gotta get a little bit of everything.
Yeah, but we got these big, strong guys over here. He's got a teddy bear on his shirt, and there's all this space for activities. Look at this. We need to add some more holiday festiveness.
All right, I think I know what you're getting at here.
Yeah.
I mean, just sort of like we were talking about when we brought the octopus.
Yeah, we can do the like the one.
But it's a lot of that same kind of stuff in there, and I realize we are Fear Factor, but I want to remind you, Layla, that we are Fear Factor live. That means we're in a theme park. I mean, you do not expect me to make these nice boys that are tourists eat what they eat on TV.
I don't think they look so nice. And you know what? These people are all tourists as well. And don't you guys want to see them eat what they eat on TV? Yeah, they do.
Oh, by the way,
There's one more thing.
yeah, I did bring along a little Fear Factor Live party mix. A disgusting combination of crickets, drugs, silver, giveaway, grasshoppers. Yeah, for that added snap, crackle, blah, 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 blah.
Oh, you never let me down.
I know.
Always have something else. There you go. All right, so if this goes exactly how I hope it will, I'm going to give you guys these. Official Fear Factor Live shot buckets. So if you feel the need, aim for the bucket, because Mike Ferris is in the booth and he has a very delicate stomach. Oh, that is quite a smoothie.
It's really more of a chunky.
I would agree with that. Yes, you have to drink it all. I'm gonna go over it. Calm down. All right. Omar is ready to go.
Okay, I'm trying to be even. Trying to be equal.
There you go. All right, guys. So it is. Why would you spill that? What is wrong with you? Okay.
So he has to follow suit.
All right. Here's how this is going
down. You have to finish the entire cup. Put the cup back down on the table. Open your mouth so we can see you aren't saving anything. Whoever can do that first is our winner. It's just as simple as that. Sounds pretty good, right? All right. Audience, are you guys ready to see this? Then it's time to plug it and chug it in 3, 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Come on, it's like lift it up, Escanada. No, hurry. In the bucket, girl, in the bucket. Oh, wow. Wow. Let's get it up for Julio! Yeah, did a great job. And you have proven that windowsill. Once that is gone, pull yourself across the windowsill. Reach out, grab the red flag at the top of the red fireman's pole. You want to hold on to that flag. It has a key attached to it that you will need. Slide down the fireman's pole. Once you get to the bottom, turn, run, and jump into your yellow convertibles. You're going to use the key to start the car. The ignition is on the right-hand side. Once that starts, it will begin to rise into the air. When it comes to a complete stop, you will climb over the front windshield, releasing the 3 yellow flags on the front end. Once those are gone, climb volunteers at various stations around the stage. It is going to be their job to pound our contestants with ball cannons, douse them with water as they climb the wall, and bring on the rain for the car colliding action. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call entertainment here at Fear Factor Live. It certainly is. Some more second checks. Bradley, are you ready? Benjamin, are you ready? Audience, are you guys ready? Then it's time to count down this final showdown in 3, 2, 1, go! Our competitors are pretty evenly matched here as far as reach goes. That water is going to start coming down on them. Bradley getting off to an early lead over here. Already got 2 of his flags. Benjamin's going to have to pick up the pace if he wants to catch it. Bradley moving on his full flag. Pulling himself across that windowsill. Leaping onto the pole. Grabbing that red flag. Get across that windowsill, Bradley and Benjamin. There you go. Bradley moving on to the second. The pole is his cruise. Benjamin not far behind. Audience, let's cheer him on. He does. And when we get to rise into the air, you'll notice we're not going to make it too easy for them. That car is at a 15-degree angle. We're going to start bouncing them with some more rain. And if Bradley should slide off his car at any point in time, his game is done, and we all want to mention it was just got his car started. Wait for my signal, and Bradley, go! Climbing over that front windshield, you know he has some time, he can't be too careful. Gotta get all 3 of those flags. There goes 1, 2, 3. Benjamin, go! Bradley's gonna get back in the car. Get in the next seat. Grab that rolling fortune. Take aim. Fire in the hole. It is all over, and Bradley is our champion. Great job with the ground applause for our fantastic competition.
Hey guys, what's going on? So, just wanted to say thanks for watching the video. This video is about 4 or 5 years old. Like I said, I'm currently cleaning out my phone right now, finding some old things. So you might see some more videos like these. But like I said, this was a Fear Factor Live at Universal Studios Orlando. And as of now, that show is no longer. They actually use it more for Halloween Horror Nights. Last year they had a show, their Nightmare. I think it was called Fueled Nightmare. Don't correct me if I'm wrong on this, but I believe that's what the show is called. And I know this year they're going to have another show. I'm not sure what the show's called. But, like I said, it was a pretty... Fear Factor Live was a pretty neat thing. And I do apologize for some of the quality of the video. This is kind of before I got into vlogging. So some of the videos were kind of upside down or not angled the right way so where you would see it. So I do apologize for that. But I do hope you enjoyed the video. So, like I said, if you're new here, welcome. And if you don't mind, just subscribe to the channel. So we're trying to get to 500 before the end of the year. And we're having a big giveaway. But like I said, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed Fear Factor Live. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.